guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am still wearing sweaters even though it is probably 100 degrees out. Actually, you know what? Let me check right now. It is 90 degrees out. I was close. Anyways, I digressed so quickly. My name is Lindsay Nicole and I am a full-time fashion reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and we are going to be opening up some boxes today, which I am super excited about. Why? Because they have been sitting in my garage for the past month. If you guys remember, probably at the beginning of July, I told you that I bought 2 pallets from Liquidation, and I said that I was going to do a bunch of unboxings with you guys, which I did do a couple of videos, but then I decided to purchase another reseller's whole entire Poshmark closet, and then I decided to go on a spending spree at TJ Maxx yellow tag clearance. So therefore, I have not had the opportunity to open up the last 4 boxes that I have from my liquidation palette that we are gonna do today. If you're curious about the palette that I bought and other basic information about Liquidation, I have a whole entire playlist that I will link up on the screen. I'm sure you guys know by now I am basically a Liquidation fiend, and I do have a discount code that you can use at checkout if you are interested in anything on their website, which is Lindsay5 for 5% off. Use that at checkout and you get 5% off. And if you do, definitely let me know so I can thank you personally for supporting my small business. And so I will leave it at that just because I don't want to make this introduction too long, but I will tell you my cost of goods was around the $8.30 mark, so that will help you as we look through these brands to see what is really profitable and what I'm probably gonna make my money back on, if not maybe a couple of bucks here and there. So I hope this video is helpful for you to just see what types of brands are within liquidation, what the condition looks like, and okay, enough ramble. I think I did good this time. Let's go. Okay, pause guys. I gotta bring up the elephant in the room right now. It's that little tiny baby hair that's sticking up on the side of my head. So I just want you guys to take a guess in the comment. We might as well make a game out of it. What time of the video you think I'm going to notice that baby hair and actually fix it so it doesn't look like I am growing a plant on the side of my head? So you could either say like 30-second mark, the 2-minute mark. Put your guesses down below. Let's see who's correct in the comments, and yeah, let's just find out together, shall we? We are opening this bad boy today, so I'm hoping there's good stuff in here, so let's find out. This whole palette was new with tags. They are the women's shelf pulls palette, and I believe this was a mixed box, meaning that there are some fall and winter items and spring and summer. Everything should have tags on it and everything should be in excellent condition. However, of course, with liquidation, you're always going to find flaws, which I'm really not scared about because honestly, it's just a handful within these palettes. Okay, the first thing that I see on top is a navy dress. So this looks like it is a super cute navy dress. It is a high neck and it looks like it's ribbed and definitely stretches out quite a bit. At least I would hope so because it's very tiny. And then it flares out into a fuller skirt. This was originally $148. It was on clearance for $40, so I will have to take those tags off. However, that is no big deal. I know I've told you guys before that actually French Connection does really well for me, so I am actually really pleased with this. Plus, it is more of a fall and winter item, which I am obviously more excited to post right now because that's what people are going to start looking for. Okay, we have another dress, which I love. Dresses are one of my favorite things to source. This is the brand, which I am not entirely sure how to pronounce, so I will show you guys on the screen. It is super cute. It has a Victorian style neckline and a bow in the front with a keyhole neckline. It also flares out and it does have a tie waist. This was originally $90 and it was reduced to $44, but remember my cost of goods was $8.30. So again, not concerned about making profit for that one. Here we have another French Connection dress. This is really pretty. It has little ruffles on the shoulders, very trendy as well. It has those balloon sleeves, and this looks like it's a peasant style dress. This is like really, really cute. I almost have to try this on cute. So I'm gonna put this to the side and think about this one, but I am such a sucker for baby doll style dresses or peasant style dresses. That is definitely my absolutely favorite shape. Why? Because you can hide a food baby and no one would know. So definitely let me know in the comments if you feel me on that one. So I'm gonna leave this one to the side. Up next, we have that same exact dress that was by the brand that I cannot pronounce. So this one is in a size medium. With Liquidation, you do get a lot of multiples. A lot of people have asked me if that makes me nervous. It actually makes my life easier that I can just put up multiples and move on. I do try to make my listings stand out using keywords and modeling my clothes or styling the clothes. So hopefully that answers the questions if you happen to be wondering, like,
oh my gosh, is she nervous that there's like a ton of multiples in her box?
So anyway, this is another fall inspired dress. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm opening this box now. So this is by French Connection in a size extra small, super cute, dark floral, loving the patriotic theme we got going on. I've been seeing a lot of navies and reds. This one has pockets in it, so total score. And this could be perfect for any fall day with like over the knee boots, or honestly, I could totally see someone wearing this to the office as well because it is very business casual and it does have an exposed zipper. So this one was originally $198. It was reduced to $60, and again, I picked it up for $8.30. Up next, we have this dress that I have actually showed you guys in another previous unboxing. So this is going to make my life a lot easier. I have already have this one posted. This was originally $129, reduced to $50. It's in a size 40, but it is European sizing, I believe. I gotta double check on that last listing. So I am happy to have this just because it is a multiple. Next up, we have another dress. Oh my goodness, I am so excited that I'm getting all of these dresses. This is by French Connection as well in a size small. The navy and blue themed. This is really pretty because it has a lace slit to it as well. This was again $198. Okay, we have another strapless dress. I am going to actually put this to the side as well so I can list this ASAP because this is definitely more of a spring summer dress or bridal dress for someone that maybe is having a bachelorette party or a bridal shower. This is by Adriana Papel, which totally makes sense. Very bridal, in case you are unaware of that brand. As you guys can probably tell by now, I am making a lot of piles, which I do super frequently during liquidation just because it helps me organize and sort. This one I'm definitely going to list right away. Okay, we have another one of these dresses that I have already showed you, so we're not going to go over that one too much. We also have another one of these French Connection dresses. This is in a size small, super cute, excited to have because again, French Connection actually is very bread and butter to me. And we have another multiple, which honestly, I am not mad at because I'm excited to get through these last 4 boxes just so I can start revamping all of my listings. That is definitely a goal of mine that I really want to work on the next couple of months just so I can move on with certain inventory in my closet that I purchased from a while ago. So I just haven't really had time to relist because I have so much inventory that I need to list to give a chance. A little bit of ramble there, but I figured it would be interesting for you guys to know kind of where my head's at. So we already have a bunch of these dresses now. So again, I'm gonna put that to the side. Okay, something new, something cute, loving it because obviously you guys know pink is my color. This is in a size large. Let me show you the brand tag. This is a super cute light knit heathered pink sweater. Nothing too crazy going on with this one. It was originally $60. It was reduced to $10, so I probably won't get too much for this. However, this is definitely an item that I would style and model just because I feel like it would give the listing a little more oomph. So we'll see how this one does, but it is really pretty. So I would definitely not mind styling this one. Okay, we have another one of those French Connection dresses that I showed you at the beginning of the haul. So this one is in a size small. Up next, we have a blazer. This is by Endless Rose. I feel like I've seen this brand before, and I have a feeling this isn't gonna sell for too much either. This was originally $60. It was reduced to $40. It is very nicely made though, I do have to say that, and I definitely think I can style this one with a pair of high-waisted jeans, a white shirt, maybe a necklace, and bam, hopefully someone will think that's cute enough to buy. It does have a very satiny material to it, and I could totally see someone wearing this with a pair of riding boots too, and it would just really give off that really preppy look that I know people love to do in the fall time. I have a couple more of those blazers. So this one is in a size small. This one is in a size small. That's it. However, I do have a lot of multiples, so I'm sorry guys, this probably isn't as exciting for you, but this is like liquidation real life. So I do have a couple more of those French Connection dresses. This is in a blue combination. This is in an extra small. I also have it in another extra small. We got duplicates. Okay, so this one is in a size large, which is the red combo. This one is in a size small. I have a couple more of those peasant style dresses that I loved so much. So you know what? If I do decide to try this one on and it doesn't fit, now I have choices, which is always nice. So this is in an extra small, and this one is in an XX small. Okay, moving on to something different. So this is by Sam Edelman. Again, this is another patterned dress. Digging all of the muted colors, honestly. This is in a size 4. This was originally $135. So I've only sold Sam Edelman probably once or twice before, and it didn't go for a crazy amount. So I'm not expecting to get very much for this. However, it is really pretty, and the season for it, it has flutter sleeves, and it just goes out into a fit and flare skirt. So I really like the pattern of it, and I may end up styling this one as well with a pair of high boots and see how it does. Next up, we have another one of those French Connection dresses in a size small, so nothing crazy about this one. I know we already went over that. Just to make all of our lives easier, we got more duplicates. Moving on to something different. This is by Lisa and Lucy. I have never heard of this brand, so again, definitely let me know if you have. This is in a cobalt blue color, super pretty. This is in a size medium, originally $288, so that's exciting. So it looks like it has a wrap style neckline, and it goes all the way down into a midi skirt. The back is really pretty because it does have like a crisscross open back. So again, this would be perfect for someone going to a wedding. We have a sweater dress here, super pretty. This is by that same brand that starts with a B. This was originally $80 in a size. Oh, this is actually one size. I'm not really sure if this would be considered one size just because it would be extremely oversized on an extra small or an extra small or probably even a small. So I am probably not going to list this as one size. I am probably going to list it just based on its measurements, but it is really pretty for someone that really enjoys this style. So I actually have 2 of them, and I am definitely going to get them up for the fall and winter season. Guys, that went super quickly. I think I'm going to open up that second box with you because, yeah, I definitely wasn't expecting all these multiples, but honestly, it's going to make my life that much easier, so I am definitely not mad at it. So let's get that second box. This box actually seems lighter, so maybe there's not as much going on in it. Ooh, and and I see shoes. Okay, so this box is filled with shoes, which is really exciting. Guys, look how sick these are. I am digging these. And the best part of these is this is totally a fall and winter style, so that is really cool. These say they're J slides. So this is what it looks like. It looks like this one got a little bit creased, but I am not worried about it. I'll just have to fix that up. It does come with the box. So this is in an 8.5 taupe suede. Worst comes to worst, if I don't feel like selling it, they're my size, so that's always a plus. But these are what the first ones look like. If you happen to know anything about J slides, definitely let me know. It does say it was originally, I think, $149, reduced to $80. So that is definitely a good sign. Okay, next up we have another box. And this is by Charles David. Again, another brand that I'm not too familiar with. These are a pair of boots. How cool. These are a pair of suede brown boots, and it does have a block heel. They look like they're in pretty good condition. I do see scuff marks, but it is possible that maybe if I rub it a little bit, it will slightly come out. However, it looks like it's in pretty mint condition as far as the soles go. And these are in a size 8. So that is really cool. And I'm pumped to have these and open these for this time of year. Again, I am not familiar with Charles David, and honestly, guys, I'm not too familiar with too many shoe brands just because that's not really my expertise. So again, if you happen to know anything, let me know. Okay, we have another pair of shoes here. Ooh, these are really cool too. These are by J Slides again. This is in like a reptile pattern. These were originally $145, reduced to $44 in a size 8.5. Okay, so sorry guys, I got you probably too excited. Those were the only pairs of shoes in the box, but we still do have a bunch of clothes. So this is the next brand. I do know this brand. This is sold at Nordstrom Rack. This is just a black short sleeve dress. This would be perfect for the workplace. And I know I'm not going to get too much for this one. It was originally $58, but I will probably make a few bucks on it. My cost of goods was only $8.30, and I have a feeling I'd probably sell that for the $25 mark, but I will have to look up that brand again. Okay, this is such a pretty velvet top. Guys, look how gorgeous this is. So it has a high neck, and it also does have statement shoulders. It does have a bit of a balloon sleeve with metallic thread all throughout it. This is by CQ. Again, not familiar. It says it was originally $64 in a size small. I am definitely going to style this one because I think it will help this item out a lot. We have a few more of these. This one is in a size medium. This one is in a size small. This one is in a size medium. Come on, be a pattern. Let this one be in a size small. Nope, we ruined the pattern. This is in a size large. And last but not least, in a size large. So I think I have 2 of each size. And last but not least, man, that was a short box too. So I'm glad I ended up doing both. Okay, so this is by Joe's. This is in a size 32. This does have a reticketed tag, meaning I will probably end up taking off this tag. However, actually guys, I was wrong. I did find the tag. So it has a reticketed tag and it has a normal tag. So I'm just gonna take off the reticketed tag. Something that I do notice on it though is, yeah, the little elephant in the room, which is the sensory tag. I have 2 sensor removers that I do use. If you guys are ever curious in any of my liquidation tools or reseller tools that I use, I have everything linked down below. So anything that I can link, I definitely will. So I am able to get this out with my sensor remover. So I'm not very concerned about that at all. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so I just looked back at the footage and there was this little tiny devil hair sticking out of my head the whole entire time. So if you guys guessed that it stuck out the whole entire video, then you would be absolutely correct. That was slightly embarrassing, but I am human. Anyway, guys, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video nonetheless and that it was helpful for you. And if it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up on your way out, and I will see you in my next one, and so will my devil hair. So bye guys.